Meet Your Army Day is just an opportunity for the units here on Fort Liberty to sort of open their doors, come out here, display a lot of their equipment, and soldiers more importantly, to kind of just show our youth in particular, here's who we are as an Army.
We have about a little over 10,000 military connected students. That's why it's important that we do all the stuff to engage our families and their military servicemen.
I've been in JROTC for 4 years. I started my freshman year. We are deep onto that discipline. Just do what you gotta do. We just get to do a bunch of stuff that nobody ever does.
The way we do it is we peel it first, push it in, and then we apply pressure.
And he's really teaching you, like, hey, if they have a wound on like any appendage, teaches you how to do a tourniquet, like a real medical professional. I feel like everybody should know that first aid.
The biggest thing I would ask folks to consider is there are so many opportunities that exist within the Army.
Right now I'm looking at the Navy and their nuclear engineering program.
This is your Army, right? We work for them, right? We're here to defend their nation.
And really, it's just a really amazing experience out here.